What's going on, guys? TechLift here. Today we're going to be unboxing and giving the first impressions of the Xbox wireless headset for your Xbox Series S or X console. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. So right off the bat, guys, you're going to get the box itself. Super nice, glossy Xbox branded box, just like the Xbox Series S, X, all the Xbox stuff. It's going to come in a nice, super simple packaging. Now you can get this thing right now for $88 on sale or $99 USD. Look out for deals, guys, but super clean, minimal packaging here, and all you do is slip it out, and it's pretty nifty design here. As you guys can see, literally just the Xbox logo there and the headset itself. So let's go ahead and take it out of the package there. Super nice right out of the box, guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be like a cheapy looking plastic, but it's honestly really well made. Now under that we have the cables and the manual itself. Now this is USB-A to USB-C, which is awesome. Super fast charging, because we need that sometimes whenever our headset runs out of battery. Just take a quick little 5 to 10 minute break and you're gonna be good to go. You're gonna get at least another session out of that. So then we got the manuals there that no one ever reads, but honestly, shout out to Xbox, because these manuals are super simple and to the point. Now I feel like all the manuals nowadays should be just like this. Literally how to pair your headset, how to turn it on, how to power on and off the mic, connect it to your console, connect it to Bluetooth to your laptop, phone, whatever it is. Now these are Bluetooth, guys, which is awesome. The Stealth Gen 2s, which I reviewed by Turtle Beach last week, were not Bluetooth. These are, and I wanted that Bluetooth compatibility in case I get a phone call, in case I want to listen to music, or if I just want to like jump on my phone in between matches and things like that. I would have that without waking anyone up. So it's super nifty and handy that it has that Bluetooth 3.0 or Bluetooth compatibility. But yeah, manuals there, and then the headset itself, guys. So now the mic does come with this little wrapper there. It's honestly pretty high quality plastic. The mic is actually legit, guys. The mic is very well made. Now on the side you have the Xbox branding. On the other side of the ear cup you have just your normal black, matte black finish that they did here. Now these are plastic ear cups, plastic headpiece up top. Not gonna lie to you, it feels like ABS plastic, like a pretty cheaper end plastic, but I feel like it's not going to break anytime soon, if that makes any sense. Now these little green slots here on the ear patch or on the ear cup don't light up. It's literally just a neon green light, but it's very vibrant. Those are basically the controls there. Now one side controls game audio, one side controls game chat, party chat slash audio, whatever one you want to hear more. Now as you guys can tell here, pairing button, green pairing button there. Not gonna lie, it's kind of like cheapy looking in a way, but it's very sturdy. Doesn't feel like it would break anytime soon. And then you have the mic control there, whether you want to mute it on and off. Not gonna lie, the mic piece is very high quality. Now under the headpiece there, made out of a leather, maybe faux leather, as well as the ear cups. Not gonna lie, they felt super comfortable, and the material, I could tell that it was gonna be quality. Now the volume rocker there on the right ear cup is for the game chat audio, the game audio. And then on the left side you have the audio for equalizing it, whether you want to go more game chat or whether you want to listen to the game more. Or in the middle it does have a nice little slot that it jumps into whenever you want to use that, so you know that you're equally balanced. Now on the right side it's just the game audio. All the way down is mute it, all the way up is more audio, and then you have the USB-C charging port there. And then on the inside of the ear cups you have right and left, that way you know you have the headset on right. I mean, yeah, the Xbox branded logo, that's literally the only branding they have on this thing, which is nice, super clean and minimal. Not gonna lie to you guys, like these look super clean and just minimal finish on the head. These are really well made so far. The adjustable headpiece there is very nice and sturdy. It clicks in and it's not going to go anywhere. You click it to whatever setting you want, not going to move. It's a little hard to move at first, but it's just because the little clicks and the little settings there are really well made, and they're going to stick on your head no matter how big your head, no matter what the tension is. So really impressed by that there, and also just like how comfortable they were. So yeah, you have the mic there, it swivels up and down, which is really well made. Again, honestly, the mic is super well made. And then just the pairing on this guy is super easy. You just press the pairing button there, as well as on the Xbox controller pairing, and it connects, and then you can hear the sound say whoop, and boot up and whatnot. But it was super simple to pair up and set up with the Xbox. Now if you do press the pairing button with your Xbox off, once it's already paired, it actually powers on your Xbox. So you throw on your headset, press the pair button, and it'll turn on your Xbox. So that's really cool feature. And right off the bat, guys, whenever I threw these on, I was super impressed by how comfortable these things were. The other ones, they felt comfortable and whatnot, but these just feel absolutely comfortable. Now the mic does have an LED there, so that button on the back, if you press it on and on, it's going to let you know whether the mic is muted or not, because the little LED light turns on, which is absolutely crucial sometimes. Now the little mic swivel adjustment thing is super high quality, super impressed by that. Now once you boot them on, you are going to have to update them, as you guys saw there, and then in the meantime I just decided to pair them with my iPhone so I could listen to, you know, whatever I needed to. Super easy pairing, just like any other Bluetooth headphones. Now jumping into a game and actually throwing them on, I felt really immersed. Immersion was a really good term to use them. Now coming off the Stealth Gen 3s, again, these felt like I was in the game. Motion, I guess, audio was really on point. So hearing cars and vehicles, whether they're coming from the left to the right, things like that, as you saw there, was really cool. And then once you shoot, it just sounds really clean and just sounds like you're in the game, which has been crazy to me, throwing these headsets on. And again, playing on a next gen console, having all those perks is freaking awesome. Anyways, that's the first impressions and unboxing of this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. TechLift out.